So in today's lesson, we're going to talk about some common injuries that you might come across while you're doing the push-up course. So one of the biggest injuries, or it's not really an injury, but it's a problem that you'll probably have when you're exercising, is that you might get sore wrists. And the reason you're getting a sore wrist is because you have your hand in this extended position through your wrist. And so what you want to do is remove that pressure on your wrist, and you can just do that by holding dumbbells. Or if you have those perfect push-up bars, then you can use those as well when you do your push-up. And when you keep your wrist neutral, like this, it takes all the pressure off of your wrist. Now, if you don't have anything to hang on to actually do it, you can do it on your knuckles, but that makes the exercise quite a bit harder for most people. So you may want to watch that. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you in the next lesson.